everyone, how are you all? This is Nazia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Who are new to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing, and who are already following, thank you so much for all your love and support. So, how are you all? And this weekend, my bandage has got removed, the cement one, which we say like very sticky one, but unfortunately the hand has not been fully recovered, so the doctor said me to wait for another 30 days so that it should not put a lot of pressure on hand. So that is why for support I am using it. But the good thing is that he said me to do little things like working, keyboard typing, doing some peeling, whatever the home I do the work, very small work I can do it. So thank God for that. It's all your love and support and prayers. So as I said, like the last week it has been done the Nika haul part 1, which I got new products which I really want to try it. So this vlog is all about, as you see the title, Nika products, Nika haul products part 2, which I already been using it, and it is a restocking the products. So let me start this vlog fast and close it fast because I don't want to make more and lag a vlog because people are very busy these days, so they want very short and sweet. So and I'll try to post a lot of YouTube shorts also. I am not able to do dance with one hand right now, but definitely I'll try to post something different thoughts which is not like makeup or anything, but little dialogues or anything that you can enjoy thoroughly and laugh because I do very good comedy. So these products which I am going to show, it's already been restocking from many long years, like 4 to 5, more than some of them are more to 6 to 7 years. So definitely I want to give you the best products so that you can also try it up. So before going into the vlog, don't forget to subscribe my channel, do follow my Instagram page, and please like, share and comment. So let's go. Here is the bag which I said like I got it the products because I got 2 packages like this. So I have been divided part 1 and part 2. Now I will show the products which I've been recommending and restocking every time. So let me fix this all products on my table and show you one by one. What I really want to talk about is my most favorite hair serum, which I really use from very long time, like literally very long time. I don't know from which year I'm using this because this is one of my most favorite hair serum because my hair is on the scalp, I mean on the crown side, like a scalp is very oily and the bottom is very frizzy. So whenever I go for shower and I come back with good conditioner and thing, I first apply this serum, then rest all I will do for my hair. So this is a L'Oreal Extensive Care, which is a serum for anti-frizz, anti-breakage, and anti-dryness. I really love this product, and I have no idea how many bottles I have been finished this because this is the most my OG product for me personally, and I think it will be good for whoever are a dry hair. I mean, like a dry anti-break and frizzy hair from here, from half of from your hair. So you can try this one, and this always cost me 795. Hardly it will go for 50 or 100 rupees down, but usually I used to pay for 700. Its price is 800. So most recommended hair serum. It's a hair product I really want to talk about. I don't use much this one until unless if I have a shoot or I have any festival to get ready, so then only I'll use this product, otherwise I don't use. So that is a hair spray. As you know, this is one of the gem and OG product, and this much big bottle I can survive for 1 year because I hardly do shoots for myself rather than sponsoring or collaboration. So this is a L'Oreal Elnet normal hold, and it is very good hairspray. It stay longer until I think sometimes I it stay more longer for me until I do a next hair shower. So this costed me around same 750 rupees, but I got this time very good price when I was buying from the Nika hall around 600 or something. So I thought like to grab it up because the another one is already got finished and I haven't taken from since 3 months because I don't feel like to use it. But now it is necessary because there are more shoots are coming for me in the month of September, October. So you're gonna see in the Instagram. So that the next product is about a body care. I usually use like most of the underarm rolls I use more, so because that is the most priority to kill the bacteria and the odor. So my most favorite, I always been saying this one, and it is a anti-pigmenting. It will uh, reduce little pigmentation under your underarms. I've been using this from very long time, and this is a chemist and play underarm roll on, but I'll take usually jasmine one so that it can be little nice smell. You have in the citrus, I think you have a plain one also, you can use this one, and it is a 5% AHA. So and I really love this one, and it cost me around 400, and I got in Nika sale in very good price. I don't remember, but I really got in very good. The second product which I'm talking about is this ordinary glycolic acid toner. This toner usually use for different ways, like literally different. You can use for hair, scalp, before shower. You can use for underarms, you can use for on your face, but I don't apply this on my face, but rest all over my body I will use, like underarms. Before I sleep, I just dab it up, or else I have a little marks on my legs. So it is a little dark pigmentation some places. In a childhood I just felt, and it was like that time I have a no idea to use like this. So now it is adult time, so I know what can do for to go on that marks and everything. So definitely I use this, and sometimes I use in my under thighs, like not even much, but very little, to remove the pigmentation, like in the bikini area. So definitely it is a work so good, but I avoid on the face, but you can try on your face definitely, because it is really good on that. So this is very good, and I got this around for 1,000 rupees, this small bottle. The big one is a little expensive, so I thought to take a little small one, because I don't want to waste so much product, because I use very rarely, like hardly weekly 4 times rather than every day. So the next two products I really want to talk about is a body care. Body scrub is more important. It has to be exfoliate definitely alternate days or weekly 2 to 3 times. I do 2 times. I keep exactly the schedule of that. If I did on Wednesday, I'll do on Sunday. So definitely I need 2 times. So that I got it. The restocking product is the Dove. I mostly use Dove pomegranate one, that I don't have in a small tube. So it is a very big, and I don't want to waste money, because I use two products. I do alternately, so that's why. So this is a crushed macadamia and rice milk. This is the most I use rice one. I use more the rice scrubber. I really love this one, and it is costed me around something 350 rupees or 499, and I got it around 350 390. So I really love this product. This is really a very good scrubber. You can try it up, and there is a pomegranate one, and there is one in a, I think in a mango flavor also, I think, but I don't like sweet flavor, so definitely this is the only one product I always restock. Next is my most OG product of body scrubber, and I really love this product. Literally, I can't wait to buy it. Even though if I'm a financial crisis, I will buy this product by any way, asking money from my mom also, because this is my most favorite. Okay, I'm telling now what is that. This is a McCafe coffee body scrub. It's so nice. I know it's just a powder, you have to mix water. I know you people think it goes dry. No, it gives so much moisturizer, and most literally it feels like smooth, and you feel like something has been dusted out from your body. I'm telling you, this is the most beautiful and workable product, and you should try this one. You'll get this much big bottle from around 450 rupees, and you will get in a price. If you go in a McCafe website directly, and if you buy some of this product, you get same product in the small size as a freebie also. I'm telling you, that's the best way to buy. But right now I have a extra McAfee and all products, so that's why I just went for one this scrubber, and you'll get a scoop also in this so that you can take how much you want. But I don't use that scoop. Let me show you that scoop. So this is the scoop. I don't know how much it will come, but I'll use accordingly how much I really need. So definitely it's a OG product. Definitely it's best. So the next product I really want to talk about is eyebrows. Most mandatory thing on your face, which is eyebrows and mascara. So I stopped doing my eyebrows threading almost like in 2004. Hardly once or twice I did until now. If I went for a waxing, body wax or anything, otherwise I do myself. And I can tell you in budget that where you can do by yourself, like do yourself eyebrows and upper lip. I don't have upper lip and all, only eyebrows, but I'm telling you, you'll get the upper lip also. This is the Flawless trimmer shaver for ladies. I'm telling you, it's a very good trimmer. So this is the product. It looks like it will get a brush to dust it up. So this nib is for eyebrows, and this nib is for upper lip or chin or here process, like you can do it. And you can do if you have a hair here also. So this is not necessary for me. This is the only one product I really like, and it is a travel friendly also. You can just put it like that in your handbag. It's look like this one. So the next I have a product which I really want to talk about is eyebrow brusher. This is a Glam 21 eyebrow grip clear gel. It's just around 190 rupees or something, because usually the brown shades are little different when I've been applying. Sometimes it's go dark brown, sometimes it's go bright, like a lighter one, grayish type. So I mostly depend on the clear gel. Then I will apply little powder or a pencil. Mostly I avoid pencil, but when I put this one, definitely I'll try to do with a powder so that it can shape it up. But right now I haven't applied anything. If you see this, it's a pure brow gel. This is my thickness of my eyebrows. So this is the very good product. You can try it out. If you have a thick eyebrows, this is the bestest one, so that you no need to apply any powder. Just brush it up and it stay longer, more than 8 hours, more than 8 to 9 hours. So I can promise on that. So you can buy this one. The last product I really want to talk about is a lip gloss. My most favorite lip gloss one is Swiss Beauty. I always talk about it, which is a pH level. When you apply it, get red. And the second product I really want to talk about is the Colors Queen, which looks like a little Dior styling packaging. So I really love this one, and this is the second product. I bought one in the month of March. It's over now. This is the second product. I thought to buy Swiss Beauty, but Swiss Beauty I have been used a lot. So now I really want to try this, and it's like this. So like literally very nice product. So this costed me around 120 or 50 something. You will get this one only in Nykaa. Sometimes you can get in Myntra also. I have seen, first I bought it in Myntra, then it was out of stock, then I found in Nykaa. Now I bought it because I want to restock this one new product. I have one old one which I'm using right now, but this one is little want to be traveling, because I've been traveling somewhere now. So I want to get ready before only. I don't want to go in a last minute stage of packing and everything. This is the product which I really love most. So you can try this one, budget friendly, looks stylish and good. So that's all these products which I've been restocking again and again. So I hope you love it. I think some of this product you might be using. You can comment me which product you've been using in this, which I have shown in this vlog. So until the next time, I will make a video which is really exciting. I know that also a Nika haul, but it is not my products. It's my friend who got the products, and I really want to see. I am very like curious and want to be pick out what product she got it, because she also mostly bought many products from Nika. So I'll do that a vlog also in the next week. So until the next time, this is Nazia. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, share, and comment, and please give me a lot of love, and please comment me. I'm waiting for your comments. At least put me a heart so that you saw that whole vlog. So surviving until this vlog. Thank you so much. So this is Nazia signing off. Bye.